Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's team training. So, last week I started a series about attraction marketing, and we went over how you could determine your targeted audience. Now, if you did miss it, you can check out the replay on our weekly team training event page, as well as on Tuesday, I will be posting it up on my YouTube channel. So, this week I wanted to go over how to determine where to market your business. But first, let's just go over real quick what exactly is attraction marketing. So, attraction marketing is a way to provide content that's going to inform your prospective leads by focusing on how you achieve your goals and solutions to your problems with your business and products. Now, you're going to be able to do that by deciding who your targeted audience is, creating an implementation plan and routine, making your content in advance, setting up a follow-up system, and finally reviewing and evaluating every so often what's working and making adjustments as needed. So after determining your targeted audience, next step is creating a plan and routine. So when you're creating a plan and establishing routines, you're going to give yourself a roadmap to help you get to where you are now to where you want to be, whether it is in short term or long term. Now, with marketing, once you know who your target is, the next step is to determine where to market your business. Knowing where you're going to market your business is also going to help you to determine how you're going to market your business. So, how do you determine where to market your business? You're going to want to ask these questions. According to this Forbes article by Peter Hazadoy, I am so sorry if I mispronounced it. I came across this article in my research for this week's training, and I highly recommend going and checking it out. First off, think of your target audience day-to-day life. Where are they spending most of their time? Think of their environments that they are in and lifestyle they are leading. Do they have a crazy on-the-go working mom nonstop type of lifestyle? Or is it more laid back, enjoying retirement type of lifestyle? Think about where they go in their day-to-day life. The grocery stores, the banks, salons, where they work, restaurants they eat at. I know in my experience, I actually got a lot of customers by going to the medical offices in my area. It was a great way to get a bunch of customers all in one place. On top of that, it was super convenient for both of us. I was able to deliver orders and deliver brochures all in one place, and I was able to provide a way for them to shop their essentials right from work. It's a win-win for both of us. Now, these are important questions to ask because they're going to help you to determine where you can market as well as what type, which leads me now to the next two questions. So the first one, knowing who your targeted audience is, it's going to help you to know what type of media they prefer. Someone that is not much into social media or shopping online, you may want to think about providing them written material, either by having a brochure delivered to them at each campaign, having a newsletter mailed out. On the other hand, people more in my generation, we tend to like to get our information through blogs and YouTube channels and Facebook. However, the younger generation, they prefer things fast and right now. So their type of content may be more quick and short, like TikToks and Reels. So now on to the third question. Now, this is actually different than what type of media they prefer, though knowing the type of media they prefer can actually help you to determine what type of content to create. So say we have a super busy mom who's not going to have the time to read through an in-depth blog article or go through a brochure at each campaign or read through an in-depth newsletter. However, she does still want to learn and have the information, but she prefers to have it broken down in step-by-step type of format. So maybe you might want to think of doing a podcast or a YouTube channel. That way she can listen to it while she's going about her day. Even knowing this information may even be helpful, even if, say, you do have a blog and you want to reach that super busy mom. Then you might want to think of maybe creating short and sweet type of blog articles. So that way she can quickly browse through the blog real quick and get the information she needs real fast. Now you see how it's all connected? Knowing these answers are going to make it easy for you to focus on the activities that work. So we will get into it much later, but you're going to constantly and routinely ask these questions to yourself and to your customers. So that way you are ensuring you are providing the best information and content to your followers and your customers. So that is it for this week. I do highly recommend checking out that Forbes article as it does go more in depth. Next week, we're going to actually move on to establishing marketing goals. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and wonderful week.